In this video, I will show you how to solve the problem of this account can no longer use WhatsApp Business. And I had a problem like that and I appealed and got my account reinstated. So I want to show you how to also appeal and get your account reinstated. And take time and follow this to the end, because even if your account is restricted permanently after they have reviewed it, I will still show you how you can get the account back. So first of all, click on request review, and then when it brings you this screen, you write that hello WhatsApp, my or dear WhatsApp, my business account or my WhatsApp account was banned unfairly. I have carefully reviewed your policies and I strongly believe that my account has been mistakenly flagged. I need your urgent assistance as my business has been affected greatly. Something like that. Okay, so whatever you write there, make sure that you take time and also go through the policies. Sometimes the reason why they suspend account is that you are violating the policies, and one of the policies is sending so many messages in a broadcast list, or adding people to a group, or bumping into people's inboxes, sending them message, people that don't have your contact. If you like sending broadcast lists or many messages and spamming links to people that don't have your contact, they will get this particular problem will your account will be suspended. In some cases, it may be a mistake. So if it is a mistake, appeal properly, you get your account reinstated. So you submit, and then after you submit, it takes you to this screen where it will say you have requested a review. You should wait for 24 hours. After 24 hours, if they reinstate the account, it will tell you that you should verify your account because it has been restored. Put the phone number, then it will take you to this screen. Then you put a code, then you can open your WhatsApp, and then you are back and you can chat on WhatsApp. That is exactly how you can appeal and get it reinstated. For example, after you appeal and then you are done, they may still tell you that you cannot reinstate the account because they found out that you are not you are still violating their policies. So it will show here. So that particular message will show here. It will say that we have reviewed your activities and we still the decision is that you are not following our policy, so you can no longer use WhatsApp. So in that case, when it happens that way, what I will tell you is that one they will reinstate the account. It does not mean it's forever and ever. You will have to wait for exactly 60 days or 2 months. After 2 months, you'll be able to register the account and use it again. It happened to me. One of my account I appealed and got it reinstated, just like what I showed you. The other one, they suspended it and I appealed and they didn't reinstate it. So I had to wait for 60 days or 2 months. And after 2 months, they reinstated it and I was able to use it. So if you follow this process carefully and do it accordingly, you will get your account reinstated. Even if they don't reinstate it, don't worry, that is not the end of your account. After 60 days, you will be able to reinstate it. So that is exactly what you need to do. You can leave your comments in the comment section. You can follow the WhatsApp or Telegram link to contact us if you need my help to help you get your account reinstated. But remember that if we are to help you, we charge to do that, and it's not for free. Thank you once again. Remember to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video. Bye.